is needed for a mortgage application. The first thing we're going to need is we're going to need 2 years federal tax returns. Federal tax returns are your 1040s. Those are your personal returns. If you're self-employed, we're going to need 2 years business tax returns as well. But for right now, we're speaking W-2, so we need 2 years 1040s and W-2s, which should be attached to your tax returns. In addition to the 1040s and the W-2s, we're going to need 1 month of pay stubs. So we're going to need your trailing last month of pay stubs. If you get paid every other week, that's 2 last pay stubs. In addition to that, we're going to need 2 months bank statements or asset statements for the funds that you're going to be utilizing for the down payment and the closing costs. Please be aware that if you have any large deposits, we'll call a large deposit over $500. We need to know where that deposit came from. It's called sourcing. So we need to source where those large deposits come from. And once again, for all intents and purposes, just use the general rule of thumb of over $500 on a deposit. If it's your paycheck and it goes in every other week or goes in every week, that won't be a problem because it's going to be probably a very similar number, and we'll be able to explain that one away easily. But if you're putting any type of cash in above $500, you'd be ready to explain it because of the rules and regulations. We need to explain those large deposits. Okay, so in addition to that, we're going to need a copy of your driver's license or your passport, photo ID, and we're going to need a copy of your Social Security card. If you don't have your Social Security card or you lost it, you can go down to the Social Security Administration building and you can apply for one, and they'll give you a receipt, and we can temporarily accept that receipt while we're in processing. Okay, so just to sum it up one more time: 2 years tax returns, personal and business if you're self-employed, 2 years W-2s, 1 month of pay stubs, 2 months of bank statements or any asset statements, and large deposits need to be sourced and seasoned, meaning they need to be in your account for at least 2 months. And we're also going to need a copy of your driver's license and your Social Security card. All right, we'll keep it short and sweet. Once the file is in processing, we're going to need other items, but in order to get the application into that stage, those are the initial items needed. Thank you.